Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into Coinstats portfolio app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Coinstats portfolio app is a powerful crypto tracker that lets you connect wallet and exchange to view all your holding in one place, track performance, set price alert, and even analyze gain or loss without juggling multiple platforms. It supports thousands of coins and has useful chart and news feed, which is great if you want a high picture view of your crypto without logging into each exchange. However, many of the best features like deeper analytics, advanced alert, and unlimited exchange connection are locked behind paid plan, and some users report occasional synchronization delay or output of date price data on smaller token. In my opinion, I actually think the app is worth using if you want a comprehensive multi-exchange crypto dashboard. If you only hold a couple of coins or prefer simple price tracking, a lighter free app might be all what you need instead of this platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.